Our district mission is to prepare all of our students to be the thinkers, leaders, and creators of tomorrow. And I think what's great about that statement is it allows for multiple opportunities. And I think by having these workshops, we're helping them to find that path. We are a Title I school, and so we have many of our students qualify for free or reduced lunch, meaning they come from families that may be economically disadvantaged and underserved at times. And I think a challenge for some students is what they see as the possibilities for their own future. So already empowering students with the knowledge and information about the different possibilities for their future is very powerful.
When I grow up, I'd want to be a songwriter so I can help the popular people, like famous, to express their feelings in a way through a song, and if they don't know how to do it, maybe I could help out with that.
I want to be like a coach or something, to like a businessman that I can show other people, like what type of sports.
I want to be an architect because I like designing buildings or just other stuff for fun.
What we like as Hoover Middle School about MAPin being on campus is that you're providing a service that we've tried doing in a variety of different ways, but your way is very clear and succinct, and it's broken down into multiple phases, and for them to hear from an outside perspective, someone that they don't necessarily see every day, and giving that same message totally helps us out.
I love it. It's so fun because at first I didn't know what I wanted to be, and then I took this little test, and then it showed me that I was a helper, and I saw on the helper the few categories that kind of like showed me in a way, because I didn't know like what I wanted to be until I saw like, oh, songwriter or like poet or like singer.
This book that they gave us, and there was like a thinker, a doer, and stuff like that. And she made us look at the thing that said, that explained the doer, stuff like that. And I was more as a thinker, so that made me think, what jobs can I get with the thinker?
I like how we got to like see the different type of jobs, and then we got to take like a mini test to see what we're gonna be or what you wanna be or what suits you the most.
Our 7th graders, who are now currently 8th graders, got to participate in MAPin. So when we did our whole career exploration college week this year, we referenced back to it as like, remember last year when we did MAPin, and as academic counselors, when we talk to our students about their grades and their goals, let's use that as a reference point for all the things that you're about to do right now and into the future.
The workshop changed my view of career options in multiple ways. Some being that I just started thinking about it more, and others being like I started to research, like asking parents and how they got to where they are in their careers. So I just want to be prepared for when I'm going down the career path.
We have large pockets of friend groups, and those cross over through multiple grade levels and classes themselves. But then it being able to be like, hey, when you did your activity, what did you get? Or like, what is it that you wanted to do? Or how many years of college do you have to go to? Or do you even have to go to college for your job? Like those conversations, and we don't necessarily get to have them on a daily basis with them, like when you all come, right? And so you start that conversation for us, and it allows us to, revert back to it whenever we meet with a student.
What I would want to say to a student is this is really helpful, and it really gives you good ideas for you, who you want to become when you grow up. Because when you're a kid, you always like have a bunch of ideas and stuff, and like, I don't know, like really no one tells you how to do that, and this workshop does.